Okay, this is a problem given in the question number 50 lab record. And this is the steps, provisional steps I have written. We'll do we'll slowly do one by one. One is you have to open Tally ERP.9 and create a company. So I'll switch from one side to other side now. Now open the Tally software. Okay, now create a company. Alt plus F3, then press C, create a company. Now you have to write your name and your name, which name I had to choose it. Sai Kalyan. Sai Kalyan. Sai Kalyan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, your name. BCom 3A, room number 25. Okay. Address, I think it lives in, let us say, Charminar. Okay. His name in company is Charminar. Country India, state Telangana. Okay. The remaining is optional, not compulsory. Press Ctrl plus A. A company name is saved. Okay. Go to Gateway of Tally. This is not the Gateway of Tally. Press Escape to go to Gateway of Tally. And here you have to change the again current period. Current period is 22 to 1. Current period should be 21 to 22. So what is the shortcut key? Alt plus F2 to change the current period. Alt plus F2. So 1/4/2021 to 31st March 2022. This is the current period you have to change. Alt plus F2. So what is the next step? If you see the steps, you have to enable GST. F11. Press F11. Then you have to enable GST details here. Now for that you have to accumulate the GST number. Check it out, the GST number. You have to enter the GST number of any other firm. Unless you enter the correctly, it will not show you the correct details here. So I'll check it out of GST number of different firms. I had the copy of this. Okay, so I think there is no such number. We will see, we will browse from the website. So F11, press F11 to enable GST. Then F11, click on Stat and Taxation or press F3. So you'll get a screen, a Stat and Taxation screen. Then first should be S, enable GST. And second should be yes. Okay, state is Telangana. Registration stamp regular. SSC of other territory no. GST applicable from 1/4/2021. And here to enter the GST number. If you don't enter it now, it will show you wrong details here. So check it out from my side. I accumulated the numbers of different companies. So or you can Google from the website if possible. Let us see. Later on we'll enter it. Next is periodic step GSTR 1. You are filing monthly return because you are a regular dealer. Now EVA will applicable, say no for the time being. Enter tax liability advance receipt. There is no tax on advance receipts or payments. Hence we say no. But here we are buying from unregistered dealer. So you have to say yes. Enter tax liability or reverse charge. You have to say yes. You are buying from unregistered dealer. Set alter, you say no because we are entering GST rate at the stock item level. We create some stock item and at that stock item level we create GST. Enable GST classification, yes. Provide LUT bond details, no. This is for exports or imports. Enter. Accept yes or no. Why? Again, press Ctrl plus A. Okay. So we entered all the GST details of that our company. Sri Sai Kalyan company. Go to Gateway of Tally. Now what is the next step? You have to create ledgers. Okay. Shortcut key is ALCH. C, ALC. Okay, ledgers. First ledgers, purchase ledger. Now here, instead of saying purchase ledger, we have to create 3 different purchase ledger here. Okay, when you see the question here, you create 3 different purchase ledger. One is uh, uh, purchase from registered dealer. Second one is purchase from unregistered dealer. Third one is interstate purchases. We create 3 different purchases. Okay, and that has to be included in the steps also. The third step, you have to create 3 different purchases. It will get very good for nice for all of us. Very good for us. So create 3 different purchases. Purchases, say registered purchases. Then under purchase account, GST applicable. Here you should not enter the GST rate. Type of supply, it is a goods. Okay. Then control plus A. Then we have purchases unregistered. Purchases say unregistered, short form UNREG. Same, no change. Instead of services, you select goods. Control plus A. Now the third type of purchases interstate. Same. Select goods instead of services. Control plus A. So they created 3 types of purchases. One is purchases from registered dealer, purchases from unregistered dealer. Next is interstate purchases. What is next you have to create? If you see the steps here, you have to modify the steps. This is only provisional steps here. Next you have to create party name, M by S modern. Again, we need GSN number of modern and Jyoti. So M by S modern. Okay, at accumulate all the GST number now. So you create party name M by S modern, sundry creator M by S modern, sundry creator, maintain balance bill by bill, say yes, make it yes. Is from within the same state, so Telangana is a regular dealer, but yet at the GSN number. How do I accumulate GSN number? I'll find out, browse from my mail ID if I can get a GS number or not. I browse from mail ID. Again, I have to go to, wait a minute, I browse from mail ID. Okay, I get a GS number. I accumulated a lot of GST number of different firms, organizations of the within the same state and different states. Wait a minute, I'll open my mail ID so that I can accumulate GST numbers. So I'm gathering the information. So GSTI number. Yeah, got the GST number. So this is the numbers I accumulated. This is the numbers I accumulated of different within our same state and different states here. This is a different GST number of Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Delhi. This is accumulated from different sources. So what you do is we'll copy and paste there. Stop share. So you enter the GS number of that Sunday creator party name. What I do is I just copy and paste. I think I have to download this one. Okay, so I can copy and paste. Copy. What is that? Yeah, copy. Uh, you have to paste. You have to write and so 36 ACEFS. ACEFS 1590 1590 B1ZC B1ZC. This is the JSON number of the modern traders. That is a regular trader. Accept yes or no. Okay. Now what is next one? Next party name is uh, Mrs. Ram. Country creator, and he is an unregistered dealer. You have to select unregistered. If it's unregistered, we don't have any GSN number. So the next party name is Mrs. Jyoti. She is interstate dealer. M by S. Interstate dealer. Okay. Now we select as Tamil Nadu interstate, and you have to enter the GSN number of Tamil Nadu, starting with the state code 33 AAAGM 33 AAAGM GM 0289. So 0289 C1ZQ C1ZQ. This is the interstate dealer Jyoti. Name of the firm Jyoti. We assume that she is from Tamil Nadu. We entered the Tamil Nadu GST number. Tamil Nadu state code start from 33. Okay. Then accept yes or no? Yes. What is the next ledger you have to create according to the problem? You have to create duties and taxes ledger like input CGST, input SGST, and input IGST. Duties and taxes. So input CGST at the rate of 2.5%. Duties and taxes. Type of tax GST. Tax type central tax. Just put here 2.5 in the percentage of calculation. Now control plus A. Next is input SGST at the rate of 2.5%. Select GST. Select type of tax type is state tax. Enter 2.5%. Control plus A. Then input IGST. This is for interstate transaction at the rate of 5%. Duties and taxes, select GST, select integrated tax. So mention as 5% as the percentage of calculation. Control plus A. Okay, so go to get your tally. Now it creates stock item. You create any stock item, headphones, any stock item. Or we can create what we can create. They can uh, create like uh, you have to search what are the GST at the rate of 5%. What are the products comes under GST at the rate of 5%? If you search in the Google GST at the rate of 5%, what are the products comes under GST or GST 5% item list? If you coffee will come under the GST 5% slab category. So we'll take the coffee inventory item, then II from Gateway of Tally II shortcut key II create. Now coffee is the product they're creating. Then primary, then you have to create unit of measure. They create in terms of kgs. In terms of kgs, coffee product. Shortcut key to create unit of measure R plus C. So kgs, kilogram. So you have to match with the list of unit quantity code. Yeah, kgs is there. Control A. Okay. GST applicable, applicable. Now you have to set here GST rate at stock item level. Classification undefined, press enter key. So coffee brand, which brand you have to go? Bharat Coffee. Some 6-digit HSN code on value. It is taxable. Now here there is a reverse charge applicable. What we do is reverse charge is applicable if you buy from unregistered dealer. Okay. So let us say no. We'll see what happens. 5%. So control plus A. So goods control plus A. Okay. Press escape. Now we'll enter the transactions in the vouchers. The first transaction is purchase from registered dealer M by S model purchase voucher and rupees 5,000 plus PAT as advance. So is purchase from registered dealer M by S model 50,000 and 5,000 was paid in advance. Go to purchase voucher, press V, purchase voucher F9 shortcut key. Some dummy invoice number 33, 1st April. What is this party name? M by S model. So I'll check it once again. M by S model. Yeah, M by S model. Select M by S model here. Enter. Then purchase. Which purchases? Because M by S model is a registered dealer. So we purchase registered. Press enter key. This is not required. Coffee. Again, it will, you have to deactivate this go down details here. Again, it will coming every time. F11, F2, you say no, multiple go downs, enable set to no, control plus A. So press enter key again. Press enter key. So coffee, kg, let us say 100 kg. Rate is, let us say 80 rupees. You'll get 8,000 because it is within the same state. You have to you have to enter input CGST, then input SGST. Input SGST. Okay, we are buying it input tax because within the same state, CGST, Central National State Tax, total 5% divided into equal parts, 2.5, 2.5. There's a product name, he purchases a coffee. from registered dealer, MIS model. Okay. Then save it. Yes. And what happened? He has paid advance. After buying the coffee, he paid advance. For paying advance, you have to go for the payment voucher. Okay. So where is the payment voucher? Shortcut key F5. Now you're paying to whom? Paying to model. Debit column will be model. Model. Now you said method of adjustment. So select advance. Select advance because paying advance. What is the amount? 5,000. Okay, 5,000. Then is paying. Let us say we assume is paying by cash. Suppose we are paying through bank. You have to create bank account ledger. We assume that is paid by cash. So we'll select cash. Okay. Okay, it says negative cash, no problem because they should have some cash balance in his account. It is saying negative cash, no problem. Enter, save it. Yes. Okay, there. Press escape. Now, which is the next transaction in the problem here? Next is purchase goods from unregistered dealer RAM. Purchase voucher. F9, some dummy invoice number. RAM is unregistered dealer. Okay, I'll check it once again. RAM is unregistered dealer. RAM. You don't have GST number. So it purchases from unregistered dealer. This is not required. Coffee. We take 10 kg at the rate of, let us say, 60 rupees. Now, can we enter the tax details from unregistered dealer? No, let us see. If we enter, does it come or not? Because he is unregistered dealer. Suppose if we try to enter the tax details, it will not come. See, it is showing blank there. It is showing blank there. Because why? Because he belongs to unregistered dealer. Okay. So tax details will not come. So we'll remove this one. Okay. Coffee. Okay. End list. End of list. Okay. Now, suppose you want to see how much tax you have to pay on his behalf. Suppose you want to know how much tax you have to pay on his behalf. You have to click on tax analysis here on the right side. Click on tax analysis. We'll have the details of this. You have to pay 30 rupees of GST on behalf of unregistered dealer. Okay, it is showing a 30 rupees here. Okay, it is showing there. Okay, this is a reverse charge tax. 30 rupees is called the reverse charge tax. Okay, as a purchaser, you have to pay tax. Normally, seller has to pay, but you are buying from unregistered dealer. As a purchaser, you have to, as a buyer, you have to pay the tax. Okay, enter. Enter. Yes. Now, what is the next transaction? Next is purchase from interstate dealer. Some dummy invoice number 12. Jyoti is the party name. You purchase from Jyoti, interstate dealer. So interstate. Select purchase interstate. It's not required. So coffee. So 50 kg at the rate of 50 rupees. Let us say. Now, which tax has to pay? Interstate IGST. So input. Select this. Here, input IGST. Select this. Enter. You will get the tax value. Okay. This is the interstate deal tax value. Okay. Then save it. Now, what happened after this transaction? The problem says goods returned to Jyoti. That means we purchase from Jyoti, interstate dealer. What happens? We return the goods to Jyoti. Where it will come? So it will come which return? Purchase returns. Purchase returns means what? Debit no. Debit note, what is shortcut key? Control plus F9. Control plus F9 is shortcut key. That is debit note. Okay. Purchase returns, debit note. Sales returns, credit note. Enter the invoice number. I think you have to again enter the original invoice number. What to do? So you have to you have to find out the original invoice number. What how to do? So you have to go to Gateway of Tally. Go to Gateway of Tally. Go to Display. Select Display. Select ebook. See the Jyoti. Where is Jyoti? Yeah. Enter. Enter the. Please enter key. What is invoice number given? 12. Enter the same invoice number. So 12. So accounting voucher. Yeah, 12. No, this is F control F9. Debit note. Now 12 is the invoice we purchased from Jyoti. Invoice number is 12. Jyoti. Interstate purchases. Coffee. Now what is how much we returned? What is saying is she's saying only amount now. 5,000. 5,000. Only she is the amount now. Now what we do is we put 5 quantity. Now in order to become 5,000, how much it kgs should be? In order to become 5,000, now what happens? This is it is 5,000. Then again, you have to the entry will be reversed. So that input tax he has to pay back. Whatever input tax you paid, he will pay back to us. Sorry, not IGST. Sorry, not IGST. Yeah, IGST only, because interest debit. Yes, IGST. He'll pay back. The entry has to be reversed. There's a debit note transactions here. Enter. So you have to specify why. What is the reason for that? For that, provide GST details in debit note. You have to select yes. Reasons. What are the reasons? You can say deficiency in service. You can say deficiency in service. So type the random dummy debit note number 56. Date 1st April. Okay. Accept yes or no? Yes. Now we entered all the transactions. So what is asking to record inward supply? Inward supply GSTR2. Okay. Escape. How to go to GSTR2? Display. Select reports, static reports. Select GST, GSTR2. Now it is showing, the values are showing. Now if you see, you have to see that there should not be any errors. That means incomplete HSN SSC information should be 0. Now it is showing a 0. That means there are no errors. It is 0 now. Now it is showing business to business invoices as taxable value, return, goods return, to tax is there, ITC available is there. Okay. So we have advance paid, we are showing 600 total advice. Okay, this is the way how to enter when different types of purchase are given. Different types of purchase are given. Okay. This you have to take the printout, GSTR2. Okay, so this you have to see the, you have to take the printout of GSTR2. I'll send you the uh, steps in WhatsApp group and the screenshot of this GSTR2. Remaining, you have to take the printout and attach with the lab record.